Hi, Abit.
Hi,
Who is your best friend?
my best friend is Zico.
Let's go. Hi, Rehan. Hi.
Hi,
Who is your best friend, Rehan?
my best friend is Sage. He is so trustworthy.
And you, Abit? Your best friend is friendly.
No, because he has bad habits. Really? My best friend is loyal and kind.
What is the bad habit of your friend?
He likes smoking. What about Safir? No, he is loyal. He is helpful and